Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a makeup mystery box. I picked up two mystery boxes from the brand Profusion. You guys know I love their products. I am on their PR list and I saw that they had mystery boxes and I just had to get them. So I did pick up two mystery boxes. I'm going to be unboxing both of them for you guys. I'm also going to be giving away one of the boxes. So make sure you guys watch the entire video so you know how to enter the giveaway. Really quickly, before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos because I am going to be doing another mystery box unboxing later on this week and that will also have a giveaway in it as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and open, I guess, my mystery box first and then we'll unbox the one for the giveaway after this one. So I did pick up two of their medium mystery boxes and I don't remember seeing different sizes on their website, but I did get two of the medium boxes and they were $22 each. So here is my mystery box. This actually feels very heavy. I'm surprised how heavy it is for such like a cheap mystery box. So I'm just gonna start taking stuff out of here. Ooh, it looks like something's broken in the box because there's like powder everywhere. No. I hope the other one that's for the giveaway is not broken too. All right, so first up I have a palette right here. Not everything is bubble wrapped like this, so I guess that's why there's broken stuff in here. Great. Ooh, okay, so this looks nice. The first thing that came in my mystery box is their Contour 1, I guess is what it is. And this looks really pretty actually. I am gonna do some swatches of some of these shades. So there are two highlighter. The little brush just fell out. Whoops. Then we have a matte highlighter shade and then two contour shades. Let's feel these. Ooh, that actually does feel pretty nice. Okay, so the highlights kind of feel a little powdery, but they are really pretty. Okay, so that is nice. That's starting out good with that palette. So I do have something else that's bubble wrapped on top, and then it looks like everything else is not bubble wrapped. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next thing I got is an eyeshadow palette, and this actually looks really pretty. I do not have this palette. This is their Sultry palette, and this has a lot of shades in it. There are 24 shades in here, and we have pretty greens, purples, blues, and then it also has a double-sided brush, and I actually really like Profusion's brushes. I really want to just swatch this one shade right here called Ella. That looks like a gorgeous blue. It's a little bit more sheer than I was expecting, but it is really pretty. There's another kind of like silvery shade. These feel really nice. I actually really like the Profusion eyeshadows. I feel like they're really good quality for such an affordable price. We do have some matte shades in here as well, so these feel really nice. So this is another good thing to get. All right, so next up I have another palette, and this looks like it's broken. This is the Profusion Face palette. It says Pro Makeup Case Night. Yeah, it's like covered in powder. Oh no. So some of the shades are completely shattered in here. Well, it looks like there's eyeshadow, maybe like highlight, bronzer, and lip products, I think. Maybe that's cream contour. Wow, this is a mess. That's really sad. The highlight in here actually looks like it would have been really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that because that is a complete mess. I really hope that's the only thing broken in here. So the next thing I got is a color correcting palette. This is the Profusion Studio Corrector palette, and this has all of the different color correctors in here. We have green, yellow, purple. It says light yellow, light beige, peach corrector. I never really color correct, but this is a nice thing to get in the box. I might just put this in like a future giveaway or something. I don't think I'm going to swatch these shades because I cannot see myself using it. Maybe I'll just put this in the other box for the winner. I don't know yet. I'll either put it in the other box for the winner or I'll just put it in one of my future giveaways. All right, next up we have another palette, and this is the No Filter Needed Selfie Makeup Kit. This sounds interesting. I don't know if I'm going to take the plastic off, but this one is also broken, and whatever that is up there that was broken actually looks like it would have been really pretty. It almost looks ombre. It like starts light and then goes to like peach and then dark pink. That's really sad. I hope not everything's broken. I might have to like combine the boxes for the winner if everything is broken like this. So we have two kind of contour bronzer shades, two blush shades, and I'm assuming this was a highlighter. I can't really tell what these are supposed to be, but they're broken too, and then these look like some eyeshadows. Okay, next up I have something here. What is this? Okay, so I got a little nail file, like a little nail buffing block. That is interesting. It's a 4-step block. It has step 1 file, step 2 buff, step 3 smooth, step 4 shine. So I guess it's one of those little like buffing blocks that you do all the different sides and then your nails are like super shiny at the end. And then also I got these little like cosmetic applicators, the little like cheap eyeshadow applicators. That is interesting. All right, so we have another palette here. This is their Beauty 101 palette. I really hope this is not broken. I was hoping for some of their, okay, this is not broken. I was hoping to get some of their other palettes. Like I love their Mirage palette, their Festival palette. These are like their older palettes. So I don't know if they're just like obviously trying to get rid of stock for a mystery box. But here is this palette. So we have a bunch of eyeshadow shades, and then we have a really pretty highlighter, a blush, and then a bronzer shade. And then there's also multiple like brushes in here. And then I'm not sure what these are supposed to be. Maybe like eyeliners and then brow products, I'm assuming. But this is a nice kind of all-in-one palette. All right, so there's one last thing in this mystery box, and this is huge, and it's like literally covered in powder, so I hope it's not broken. This is their beauty chest, and this is literally huge. It says 41-piece pro makeup kit. This is gonna be hard to show you guys. Okay, so here is this palette. Wow, this has a lot of stuff in it. It has eyeshadows, brushes, it looks like blush, bronzer, highlight, and then some kind of either lip gloss, or I'm not sure what that is on the side. Oh, it's falling out. Okay, so that's interesting. So that was everything that came in the first mystery box I got. Honestly, overall, it was not a bad mystery box for the price. It was only $22, and then Profusion is an affordable makeup brand, and I feel like I got a lot of different palettes, but unfortunately, I think 2 of them were broken, which is kind of sad. I feel like they definitely could have packaged that better. They were not bubble wrapped or anything, so that's why they were broken. But now we're gonna go ahead and open up the other mystery box that the winner of the giveaway is going to receive. So this box does not look powdery or anything, so that's already a good sign. And the first palette is bubble wrapped right here. So the first palette in this box is the Royals palette, and this looks like one of their newer palettes. The packaging is like their more updated packaging, and this is a really pretty palette. It has gold, silvers, some kind of warm matte shades. So this is actually a really nice palette, so we're already starting out better than the other box, I feel like. So we have another palette bubble wrapped. This looks like the same palette. So yeah, this is the same palette as the one that came in my box, so I'm gonna keep this bubble wrapped, so the winner's gonna get one of the sultry palettes. So the next thing that came in this box is a contour kit, which I think is way better than the color corrector. So we have here 2 matte highlight shades, a shimmery highlight, and then 3 contour shades. You have like light, medium, and then deep contour shades, and those are all matte as well. This actually looks like a really nice palette, so that is also good. I feel like this box is better than the other one, even though this actually feels a little bit lighter than the other box. Is this the same palette? We have another one of these. I'm pretty sure this is the same palette that was in the last one. I can't remember because there were so many palettes. This is the No Filter Needed palette. Please don't be broken. Why is this so hard to open? So this one is not broken, but that was really, really hard to open. So I guess the top shade that was broken in mine is like a shimmery kind of like brick highlighter that has a bunch of different shades that you can kind of mix together. So this is a fun palette. You have your eyeshadows, your highlight, your blush, your bronzer, and these are 3 lipsticks over here, which I couldn't tell in the other palette what they were because there was powder all over them. I'm so glad that this one is not broken. All right, so in this box, this came with some things all like, I guess, rubber band together. That's interesting. So we have the little eyeshadow applicators, we have the nail file, and then over here it looks like we have a fluffy eyeshadow brush, which looks really nice. And then we have this glittery, this almost looks like a liquid eyeshadow right here, and this is in the shade Metal Quartz. I hope that's a liquid eyeshadow. It could be a liquid lipstick, I'm not really sure. And then we have a matte lip liner right here, which is in a really pretty kind of like rosy mauve shade. This box is definitely better than the other one, for sure. All right, so we have another palette here. This is their Perfect Nude palette, and this looks like it's their older packaging. Okay, it's not broken. That is good. This is actually a really pretty palette. Obviously, it's a nude palette. This is a really good palette for every day. You have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 matte shades. I feel like it could use some more matte shades. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmery shades. And then you also have a black eyeliner and then one of these little cheap kind of eyeshadow applicators. But yeah, this is another nice palette. And then there is one more thing in this box. We have a brush set, and this is actually a really nice brush set because you have 3 brushes and then a sponge. So let's see, you have their contour brush, which is this one right here. This is like kind of like a flat top, like angled kind of contour brush. I feel like this one would be really good with like cream contour. And then we have their angled multi-brush, which looks like it would be good for powder, bronzer, blush, anything really, because it's angled and it is fluffy. And then the last one is their tapered highlighter brush, which actually looks really nice because it's fluffy, but it's also small, so you can really like detail highlight your face. And then of course we have this beauty sponge up here, which looks really nice. So yeah, that is everything that came in the second mystery box. I feel like the second box was definitely better than the first one, and I think there are less things in this box, but I feel like overall it was a better box. I like the brush set and then the different eyeshadow palettes. I feel like there were 2 newer palettes in this box, and nothing was broken in this box, which is weird because they came packaged like exactly the same. So yeah, I'm really glad that this box was not broken, considering this is the one that I picked for the giveaway winner. All right, so if you guys want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. So if you're already subscribed to my channel, then you're good to go. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys click the subscribe button. And then the second thing you need to do is give this video a thumbs up. And then the last thing you need to do is comment down below. I would like it if you guys commented something about the boxes. Maybe comment what you thought was the best thing to get in either of the mystery boxes. And then of course, please leave a way for me to contact you, whether it's your email address or your Instagram username. If you're not comfortable leaving that in the comments, just let me know in the comment that you don't want to leave it so I know. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, before you guys go, make sure you have your notifications turned on. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you will receive a notification every time I upload a new video. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.